Okay, this is my first project. It's RC car, and this is comes with the camera that I got from a pack that you'd go. It's a camera for your back of your car. Came with a little display too. The remote. You're gonna need a battery. I got this big, huge 6-volt battery. This also came with the camera as the transmitter. And so all you gotta do, you have to have wire. I use the wire for the RC car to create like a little cage so you can keep the battery like so in the back, like so. Bam. So the first thing you do, besides putting the cage on, and then this is also the antenna, if you can see it right there, antenna. Made so it can go up a little higher and stay up high, so you can get better reception. Yeah, so after you do that, and then of course put batteries in it, right voltage, and make sure they're all current, because these batteries are a little heavy, it's gonna not go as far, as fast. So this is what you do. Let me try to get a better setup right here. I don't know. There we go. So first you have the wires. Make sure it goes to came with the wire right at this. It's only a 2-hole to it. You put to the negative, and then you put it to the positive, like so. It's gonna I just did this real quick, and I just taped them together. Probably the best would be electrical tape, which I'll probably use. So, some good electrical tape. Make sure it's on there really good, because you don't want to disconnect. So for this project, I did no soldering whatsoever, just so I could test this out. So you got the power now. And then you got your transmitter, like so. And you could tell, let me see if I can get it. Oh, there's this one right here. There's a 2, so you plug it into the 2. And then you have your camera that has a 3 hole. And you just plug that into here. So that now your camera has power. So you put that in there like so. What I like to do is then tape. This you could probably use duct tape because you don't really necessarily have any wiring. Put this right so. That'll be really secure, just enough so it won't move around. So after that's in place, you kind of want to put the wire in it so it's not. I put this little reservoir right here. Okay, and then you take the camera and you try to find a good spot where you want it. And I am going to put it in the front, like this, and tape it to the front. So now you have your camera right here, and it's connected to the transmitter, and it has its own power. It has nothing connected to the RC car. So that is all groovy. RC car is done. So now what you do is what I did. Got a tractor battery that was really cheap, and it's 12 volts because you need to have 12 volts for your, where is it? The monitor. So I connected the cords directly to it, and this is the power. You just hook that up like, let's see here, on this side, right? Yeah, right. So now you got power, and as you can see my hand coming from the RC car. So you have a battery pack for your monitor. Then you have your receiver. So, and then you can maybe, if you want, tape it to the remote. I mean the remote, and then you can move it. Probably next video or so, I'll show you actually in action.